Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rangga Bayu Pratama, NIM 225020. On this occasion, I will present a tool that design myself, namely a motorbike shock longer. On this second slide, I will introduce the table of content first. Slide 3, definition of motorbike shock releasing sheets. Slide 4, benefit of the motorbike shock releasing sheet. Slide 5, advantage of this sheet. Slide 6, leg seating. Slide 7 is the main component of a relaxing seating tool. Slide 8, how to use the seat. The slide 9 is how to care for and maintain the chair. The slide 10 is tips and tricks. The 11th slide is the conclusion. In this slide, we can see the shapes of the motorbike shock releasing sheet. Definition: what is a motorbike shock releasing sheet? Motorcycle shock releasing sheet is a type of seating specially designed to increase the comfort of users who sit while relaxing. The seat is usually equipped with an integrated suspension system or shock absorber. From various interviews that I have conducted to make this tool used alloy steel material. Benefit of a motorbike shock releasing sheet. By considering the result of the interview that have been conducted, I have questioned the benefit that I will profit. The first benefit is increasing rider comfort. With a motorbike shock absorber, this seat reduces fatigue and stress on the user body, especially on the back and hip, so that user can be more comfortable while relaxing until time long. The second benefit is support good posture. The ergonomic design of the seat helps user maintain posture, good body during relaxation, reduce the risk of back pain and neck. The third benefit is cost customization and flexibility. Several models of motorbike shock absorber offer this feature adjustment, allowing the user to adjust the seating position according to their preferences and needs, providing comfort which is more personal. The advantage of a motorbike releasing sheet. By considering the result of the interview that have been conducted, I have questioned the advantage that I will profit. The first advantage is maximum comfort. Profit greater comfort over user, especially for relaxing for long period. The second advantage of ergonomic design. This seat is designed to support good posture, reducing the risk of back pain and fatigue. The third advantage of quality material. Use durable and comfortable materials such from wood, high density iron, and litter of weather-resistant synthetic material. The fourth advantage is adjustment. Some models allow adjustment of the seat position and height according to the user's need, providing more personalized comfort. Lack of releasing seat for the motorbike shock. By considering the result of the interview that have been conducted, I have questioned the shortcoming that I will profit. The first disadvantage is that the price is more expensive. Seat with suspension or shock absorber feature usually more expensive than standard seat. Disadvantage of the second marker: additional suspension system may require more frequent maintenance to ensure the remain in good working order, increasing maintenance cost and time. The third drawback is average. Large and different design may not suit certain aesthetic especially for users who care about the appearance of the tire setting. Here we can see the component of the motorbike shock seat. One of the part motorcycle shock releasing seat is the base plate. The motorbike shock base plate is a component that support the seating on a motorbike equipped with a suspension system or shock absorber. This plate is usually made from strong and durable material such as metal or material or other composite. The second component is the wooden bottom plate. The base layer of wood used as the foundation for the seat on the design motorbike to support and stabilize the seat with a suspension system. This plate distributes the load evenly and as of shock increase rather complex. The third component is the spiral scope suspension device consisting of a spiral spring mounted on the motorbike seat. Its function is to absorb and dampen vibration and shock, thereby increasing driving comfort and stability. Next, the fourth component is wooden setting, a basic component made of wood which is used as a seat or base for a motorbike seat complete with a suspension system or shock absorber. Which this would function to support and distribute the load the rider and ensure that the seat is installed safely and stably on the motorbike. How to use this tool is the first is seat installation compatibility check. Make sure the motorbike shock seat fits your body style. Installation is follow the installation instruction included with the seats. Next, after that seat adjustment, height and position is adjust the seat height position according to your comfort and preference. Some seating model may have an adjustment feature that allow you to adjust the angle and height of the seat. Suspension setting is if the seat has a suspension setting, adjust the firmness or softness of the suspension according to your body weight and comfort preference. Next, after that, the third is inspection and maintenance. Routine inspection is periodically check all components of the seat suspension system to ensure nothing is loose or damaged. Material care is the seat is made of leather or synthetic material. Clean it regularly with a suitable cleaning agent to maintain cleanliness and durability. Maintenance of this motorbike shock releasing seat. First, namely cleaning. Use a soft cloth dampened with water to clean dust and dirt. For more stubborn stain, use a metal or plastic cleaner. The second is checking. Check the condition of the suspension system or shock absorber. Make sure that the suspension is functioning properly. If you find a problem, immediately replace the damaged component. The third is storage. When not in use for a long time, Store the seed in a dry place protected from extreme weather. The last one is replacement. If you find significant damage if the seat and suspension are no longer comfortable even though they have been serviced, consider replacing them with the new owners. Tips and tricks when using the brush in initially adjustment height. Make sure the seat is a height that suits your body posture. The second is suspension setting. The third, additional comfort setting cover. Use a seat cover or protector that is water and UV resistant to protect the seat material from extreme weather. Then the fourth is safety and stability routine check. Carry out routine checks on L seat suspension component to ensure that there are no loose or damaged parts. The fifth is care and clean regularly. Clean the seat regularly with a cleaner suitable for your seat material. Avoid using harsh chemicals that can damage the surface. The sixth is weather protection. Store in a dry place. If possible, keep setting in flush closet to avoid exposure to extreme weather. The last thing is to choose the right quality material. Choose a seat with quality material is durable and comfortable. Socks a synthetic leather of waterproof material. Slide 211, namely the conclusion summary of this motorbike shock releasing seat. The following are several important points that can be concluded regarding motorbike shock absorber. The first is comfort. The motorbike shock releasing seat provides extra seating comfort to the user. Next, secondly, stability. With strong support and effective suspension system, the chair helps maintain body posture. Next, the third, adjustment. Some models of motorbike shock absorber are equipped with adjustment feature, such as and adjustment of suspension firmness, allowing user to customize the releasing experience according to preferences. The fourth is maintenance. Regular maintenance is needed to ensure the seat remain in optimal condition. This includes the cleaning periodically, suspension check and adjustment are needed. Lastly, safety. The use of motorcycle shock releasing seat also contributes to increasing user safety for reduce the risk of accident. This the Scott motorbike lounge seat not only provides additional comfort for the user, but also play an important role in increase the stability and safety of releasing. Proper maintenance of regular adjustment will ensure that the seat continues to function optimally and provide the best relaxing experience for the user. If you still have your question or want to order this tool, you can contact the telephone number list or the home address that I have included. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.